Here are the doors. Now I finally get to paint the jambs of the doors. So they're sanded down, both doors, and I'm going to be giving a coat of sealer. And then finally get some paint on the doors. Okay, here's the base coat. Came out nice. This is about 2 coats. I'm gonna put one more. It's really nice. So one more coat, and then let it flash again, and then it clear. Okay, doors are finally clear coated, and these are the jambs of the doors. Nice and shiny. And then the other side of the doors is still gray with the high build. So I just did the jambs. So here's the door, the other side of the door. It came out pretty good. So finally the doors are done, the jambs. So now this is just another part that gets installed on the car. Very happy with the way it came out. And then I also painted these. These are the, these go on the brakes. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the sunlight. Let's go outside. There's the metallics. Really, really nice. I love the metallics. So that's what the car looks like in sunlight. So there you have it. Doors. The door jambs have been done. Okay, here we are with some of the Nova front end parts. There's the 2 inner fenders, and there's the radiator support. And I prepped it so that I can start spraying. So I did some repairs on the inner fenders just to make it a little bit more straight. There was a couple dimples, and so I put some metal body filler just to straighten them out. There's another one there. And on this one I did the same. Right here there was a dent, and then there was two dimples that I didn't like right there. So I'm gonna get ready to spray the epoxy on it, and I'll give you a shot of it after it's all epoxy. Finish spraying the epoxy layer on the pan on the parts, the two inner fenders. And of course, the radiator support. And I did all around, from the bottom, two sides. So that's the protection layer for the metal. And so I'm not going to put a high build primer on these, as they really don't need any body work. So I'm just going to go straight to sealer and then the color. And that should do it for those parts. So there it is. Well, I painted the trunk door. Here it is. Came out pretty sweet. And I did both sides with epoxy. You probably can't see the other side from there. Paint one side on one day, and then the next day did the other side. And so now I have to do the high build on the door and prep that so that I can eventually get the bottom side jamb coated with the Velocity Red.